Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Connection and Sharing. Now click on Printing section and choose System Printing Service right away and wait for your device to connect, or go back and tap on Add Service. Now install the best one for you and select the back button twice. Then click on your new service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!